Melody, I think this is the biggest birthday we've ever thrown. Really? Well, look around. We have a bunch of confetti, a whole table of food, then a giant pile of gifts, and it's all for one person. Well, wouldn't it have been for two people? Yeah, but we don't talk about that. Okay. But yeah, I do big birthdays. Okay. But, the last part of it being a big birthday is how many people are coming? How, how many are coming to this birthday? Well, let's see. Evelyn can't be here, she's sick. We have your parents. We have, of course, us two. We have my sister, my dad, my cousin, your dad's uncle and other cousin, Timothy's two aunts, two uncles, his dad, and his grandpa. No, both his grandpas. I said how many? Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Not including Timothy himself. Oh. Okay. Wait, but my birthday was also a big birthday. Well, yeah, there was lots of gifts and all that, but there wasn't lots of people and a full table of food. Wasn't there? No. Huh. Okay. Yeah. Alright, so who should be arriving first? Probably everyone in the hotel. So, like, your parents. Speaking of. Ow. Oof. Ow. Where'd you two come from? Ugh. We were just somewhere last night. Yeah. Oh, okay. Who's next? I don't know. Why do you keep asking me? Well, you've been down here the longest. Makes sense. I don't know. Oh. Alright, I'm here. I'm here for the party. I'm just gonna be in the kitchen. Okay, that was weird. Yeah. Why is everyone just coming down from weird places? Ow. Okay, what the heck? Oh, hey Kathleen. Hey Trixie. Just be right there. Okay. Why is everyone falling from the sky or shot to us? I don't know. This is weird. Like, weird. Ow. Okay. What is happening? I don't know. Ugh, that hurt. I need to lay down here. Okay, we need some answers. Why'd you two fall? I didn't want to walk. I just wanted to fall. And then I just jumped. Why? Well, it's closed. My room is right there. Oh. Okay? I guess? Is everything okay with the food and stuff? Yeah. Okay. The presents? Yeah. Oh, look, there's Timothy's dad. What? Oh, hey Citrus. Hey Magma. Oh, hey Spencer. Hey Citrus. Just come next to me. Okay. You know, I'm gonna make a prediction of who's next. Okay, who? I'm gonna say... Let's see. I'm gonna say both grandpas. Really? Yeah. My great-grandpa Sam... Wait. Yeah, great-grandpa Samuel and... Wait. Yeah. And then the other... Timothy's grandpa... what's his name again? Ooh. Oh. Are you talking about Larry? Yeah, Larry. I think both of them are going to come at the same time. Okay, well, I guess we'll see. Okay. Melody. Yes? Turn around. What? Okay, we're here. Yeah, we're here for Timothy's birthday. How'd I know? Well, hey, great grandpa. Hey, Larry. Just go over there. Okay. Larry. Hey, Samuel. Hey, Larry. How'd I know that? I don't know. Wait a minute. You looked out the window, didn't you? Maybe. Wait, what window? We're outside. I mean, I just looked through. I just looked. I turned. Of course you did. You cheated. How? Okay. Okay. Well, I think Leah and Jason are coming next. You looked outside. You looked over there, didn't you? Of course I did. Oh. Hey, Magma. Hey, Melody. Hey, Mother Leah. Hey. Where could we go? Oh, just, I guess over there next to Kathleen and Trixie. Okay. You know that I think about it. Yeah. Do we have enough food for everyone? I think. Well, let's see. How many stuff do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Uh-oh. There is 17 people. Well, counting Timothy, 18. And we only have 11 food. I guess 8 people. Wait. 7 people got a share? Let's see. I guess I could share with Timothy. Leah could share with Jason. Your parents could share. You could probably share with your parents. I guess. So that's 1, 2, 3. 3 meals down, so that means now we just need to figure out for 4 people. Uh-oh. Do you have any more couples coming? No. Ooh. Yeah, who knows? Okay, but we'll see. Hey, Magma? Yes, Leah? When is Timothy gonna be arriving? He should be shortly. Okay, good. Well, first we gotta wait for everyone else. Alright. Hey, now that I think about it, where's Aurora? Aurora? She should be back. Where is she? I don't know. Also, that thing's gone on the claw machine. Well, last time it was gone, remember it was the tornado? Yeah, I remember that. It was on my birthday, too. Remember? It went on Aurora. Oh, yeah. Imagine that happened again. Yeah. Little help! What? Oh my gosh. Aurora! What? How'd you get stuck in that? Long story. Okay. Here, I'll help you. No, I'm gonna put this back. So how did you get stuck in there? I don't know. What do you mean you don't know? You just said long story. Well, I woke up and I was in there, so, could be over here. Hi. Hey, Aurora. Where have you been? Long story. Okay. Did you put it back on? Yep. Who are we missing? Let me think. Coral, Luca, Hayden, and Axel. Who's that? Okay. Luca, Coral, and Axel are all uncles and aunts of Timothy. Hayden is your dad and Timothy's cousin. Oh, yeah. Okay, I remember now. Which they should be arriving soon. Well, they always take forever. How do you know? You just said who are they? Well, because of Axel and Hayden, whatever. They took forever to come to, whose birthday? Oh, Great-Grandpa Samuel's birthday. They were last. They're probably gonna take forever again. Yeah, Probably. Look, Magma. There's, Luca and Coral. What? Oh. Oh, hey, Coral. Coral? Oh, sorry, but, Coral, her voice hurts right now. She lost it. Oh. Is that true, Coral? Oh, okay. You two could just go over there. What? Oh. Oh. Come on, Coral. Okay. Let's see. Now we're just missing, Axel and Hayden. Oh, yeah. Huh. Oh, there they are. Oh, here comes Axel. Oh! Well. You okay? Axel? He isn't feeling good right now. What? Why? Because he keeps getting thrown. By who? Okay. I'm gonna be over here. Okay. Alright, now we're just missing Timothy. Let me go get him. Okay. Okay, come on. What? I can't even see. Where are we going? You'll see. Okay. Are we there yet? Oh, what do I feel? Okay. Open! What? Oh, hold on. Let me just take this off. Okay, I got it. Whoa. Happy birthday, Timothy! Yep, happy birthday. Wow. So many people. Well, yeah. They're all your family. Well, yeah, I know. But still. Ooh, lots of food. Yeah. Oh, and then over here. What? Whoa. What is all this? Open it. Well, I could see, but okay. I'll just move this. What even is this? Oh. We have a band. Yep. We have a lamp. Yeah. What else? This donut. Turn that over. Okay. We have this orange stretchy noodle. We have, ooh, squishy boba. Too bad it's not real. Puppet. Dog puppet, and the troll. Oh, thank you. You're welcome. But it wasn't just me that made this whole party. Well, who was it? Me. I did it, too. Oh, thank you, Melody. And thank everyone for coming. I'm gonna go get some food. Okay. Me too. Bye. Okay. Nice party. What? Who's that? Whoa. Never mind. Okay. Guess I didn't see anyone. This is so nice. Oh, taco. Hey, Timothy. Oh, hey, Trixie. What is it? I was wondering, do you want this still? No. Okay, thanks. I'm gonna go to my room now. Happy birthday. Thank you. Hey, Mom. Yes? I forgot. You said we're supposed to do something on Thursday? Yeah. It's Thanksgiving. Really? Yeah. Oh, okay. How much longer? Sweetie, today's Monday. Oh. Okay. You know, I'm gonna go check on your father. Okay, bye. Oh, happy birthday, Timothy. Bye. Bye, Mia. Hey, hey, Uncle Luca. Hey, Leah. Hey, Timothy. We're gonna go now. Oh, okay. Bye. Happy birthday. Thank you. Whoa. Okay. Well, I think that's it. I'm gonna go to bed. Come on, Magma. Okay. Bye, everyone. Bye. Oh, now I gotta clean this up by myself.